I'm starting film. Welcome on to our action, which is Daddy. He is a very professional.
Launch control. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Uh-oh. That one might be stuck in the tree.
Let's get the last one.
Let's
Professional
get the
Daddy.
previous last one.
Let's hope we don't lose this one. So, shall we get that one?
I got it.
And Daddy has saved the other rocket at last of time.
Alright, let's aim it over away from the trees a little bit.
Yes, aim it to the basketballs, which is special in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
That's gone miles into the field.
And Daddy has won it again. He has definitely won this one. Daddy, can I film you on the field?
Yeah.
And he has found it from miles away, which is the professional. He is definitely a professional.
Ta-da!
He found the missing rocket in rocket action.
Excellent. Alright, that'll do.
Let's